Hey, I just wanted to say thank you for clicking on today's video, and I just wanted you to know I really appreciate it, and I appreciate your time. So I'll keep this intro pretty short and pretty brief, but this is just going to be the top, main reasons why people end up brake checking on the highway, on the side roads, or just really in general. So yeah, that's probably it. If you like the video, like it. If you loved it, subscribe. If you dislike it, dislike it. But comment down below why. But yeah, I'll start with number one right now. For number one, some people get annoyed when you tailgate them for a while. So to try and stop you from doing that, hit the brakes and that can be seen as brake checking. Sometimes it is just kind of to slow down you so you're not as close. But a big reason of the time it is just genuine brake checking. And some people really are willing to crash your or have you crash your car into theirs just to prove a point and to be get the moral high ground. I mean, not you know what I mean, but just to be oh wow, you did something wrong to me. They'd really be willing to crash out and let their whole vehicle be destroyed just for that. So it's just you really should be careful with these people, but that's a very big main reason why. It's just if you tailgate someone and they're having a bad day or something, they could just slam onto the brakes and you hit them. For number two, it's kind of similar to that, but it's more of insurance scams rather than people just crashing out and just brake checking because you were tailgating. But it's if they see that, oh, you're behind them, and if you hit them, they might get a payout. And you know what I mean? There's a chance they do, there's a chance they don't. I mean, the guy could have a dash cam and then you just crash your car and not you're gonna be found liable too. It's just not worth it. So I mean, it's just I mean, really all insurance scams just aren't worth it because you're eventually going to get caught. You never win against the insurance company. You might get, I don't know, one or two cases won, but it's just after that they're going to see a pattern, and then you're just not going to win any cases anymore after that. So it's just if you're doing insurance scams, you probably should reevaluate your life and stop doing them. But that is a decent main reason why people brake check. Now, number four, it's gonna, or no, actually, not number four, number three, it's just gonna be when people are going too slow. Sometimes people, they get a little bit annoyed and then they just go around them and then go in front of them and then slow them down. I mean, I wouldn't classify it as I mean, kind of road rage, but it's just there's levels to it. Sometimes people just do it to be oh, you did this to me. Now I'm gonna slow you down back because you were going really slow. So it's I kind of is redundant and doesn't really have a point. It pretty is a point. It pretty much is a pointless activity because you're mad at someone for going slow. So you get in front of them and then go slower, which makes you still go slow. And it's just I don't know. I don't do this. It's just if someone's going too slow in front of me and I get ahead of them. I'm just going. I'm not really gonna get in front of them and slow down because that's the opposite of what I want. Now for the real number four, I'm gonna have to go just genuine accidents. I mean there's a difference between accidentally tapping the brakes lightly and full on holding them, but there some people do accidentally just hold down the brakes for a little bit too long, I don't know if a turn's coming up or something, or it's they're just trying to slow themselves down a little bit, but they just hold it for a little bit too long, and then it feels like you're intentionally brake checking someone because I don't know, maybe they don't expect you to brake for as long, and then you creep up, and then they brake harder. It's just the accidents do happen, so I'd say giving everyone a grain of salt, but don't give them an inch, not a mile. It's just if they do something once and it's a little questionable, just give them the benefit of the doubt and go on with your day. But if it consistently happens, I don't know, maybe just go in another lane and try and pass them. But yeah, I mean, even if they are learning and it's an accident, it's probably is best for you just to go in another lane and pass them if possible. If not, have fun, bro. Alright, now it pretty much is like reason number three, but I'm kind of changing it a little bit. But it's just gonna be like genuine road rage, where it's not just because someone did it to you first, so you try and like slow them down a little bit. It's just like you're crashing out on everybody and everybody, or just like you're being a straight dickhead, bro. And it's just you're doing it to random people for getting too close to you. Because like some people, like I said, if they're just having a bad day, they'll take it out on everybody else driving. So it's just if you're doing this again, reevaluate why you're doing it, and like really, it's just not for it's no one's benefiting by you doing this. So I'd really like reevaluate why I'm doing it, but it's just road raging never helps anyone. But if you're road raging and then brake checking people along the way, it's just that really can easily lead to your car just being demolished and destroyed. So if you do this, please stop and just yeah. Now, I just wanted to say thank you for making it this far in the video. If you're listening to this part, I mean, if you're listening to this, you did. But I genuinely want to say thank you for all your time. And if you really enjoyed this video, please like it or subscribe. And if there's anything you want me to change about this video, I use a different mic. If you want the old mic back or anything, comment that down below. It's just whatever you want me to do or change, please just comment it below. And I just genuinely appreciate you for watching for this long. And peace. And just, I mean, genuinely thank you. And peace.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.